In today's video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Google Chrome on Windows 11 using a simple step-by-step method. This is helpful if you want to remove Chrome from your PC, free up space, or switch to a different browser. I'll keep this process quick, easy to follow, and beginner-friendly. And before we get into it, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more useful Windows tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, go to the Windows search bar on your taskbar and click on it. Once the search box opens, type Control Panel and open it from the results. The Control Panel is where you can manage installed programs on your computer. When the Control Panel opens, look for the option that says Uninstall a Program. Click on that to view the list of applications installed on your Windows 11 PC. Now scroll through the list until you find Google Chrome. Once you see it, click on Chrome to highlight it. This tells Windows which program you want to remove. After selecting Chrome, go to the top of the window and click Uninstall. Windows will then begin the uninstallation process. You may see a confirmation prompt appear, so if that happens, just follow the on-screen instructions to complete the removal. Depending on your settings, Chrome may uninstall in just a few moments. Once the process is finished, Google Chrome will no longer be installed on your Windows 11 device. If you ever want to use it again, you can always download and reinstall it later from the official Google Chrome website. So that's it. You've now learned how to uninstall Google Chrome on Windows 11 using Control Panel. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.